Welcome to my channel Refinity Shift, and in today's video we're going to do walk and talk, and I'm gonna take you in this beautiful nature I am in. All bluebell displays, blue flowers blooming all around me. I will be walking, talking, and we will be discussing the topic I'm gonna discuss. And this video is gonna help many of you who doubt their manifestation, or who are possibly waiting that when it's gonna happen, when I'm gonna get my manifestation. So let's dive into our video. So if you like such type of content, law of assumption, self-growth, manifestation, then I would love to have you, and you are welcome to subscribe, like, share. So let's dive into our video. Law of assumption states that whatever we assume to be true for us, it's true for us. We become that person we assume to be, and nature reflects that. Look around: stillness, calmness, and trust. And flower, no doubt, all blooming. They no doubt that they will bloom or not. They simply allow to unfold. And nature actually represent this law of assumption and stillness. There is a no rushing, there is a no pushing around in manifestation. It's simply allowing to become the person you desire to be. In our reality, we all know that we have multiple realities, and this multiple reality concept, it helps us to come out of rushing and rat race most of us are in. So whatever you want to become, whatever your manifestations want to see, so you simply choose them. And some of you will say, oh, it is easy to say, but whoever is facing is difficult for them. But believe me, assumptions, your assumption is like a soil, right? And your beliefs and your desires, they're like a seeds. So you sow the seed, and then now your job is to allow and live in the fulfillment that your desire is already there and is unfolding perfectly. So desiring something means God, universe, or whoever you believe is nudging you that, hey, this reality exists as well. So you can experience that as well. So when you assume, for example, if you assuming, it means like you're choosing identity. Like, for example, you're saying, I am someone who is always loved. I am someone who always have more than enough. Or you choosing that I am someone who is living their dream life. So you're choosing from infinity, you're choosing your infinite nature, and your infinite nature is love, bliss, fulfillment. So that is who you are. So you need to keep reminding yourself, you are not your mind, you are not your body, you are not your feelings, you are infinite being. And this infinite being can experience whatever they like to. So stop asking when, how, where. Just like a flower doesn't ask, will I bloom? You already are. So trust the process. Do not force the flower, be the flower. Our inner state creates our outer state. Our assumptions is like a soil, your belief is like a water, and your manifestation is a bloom. So let go of need of seeing proof before you can see your manifestation. Many of us, they stuck in the this mindset that they want to see it, then they will believe it. Otherwise, they feel they are lying to themselves, and that is a delusional to think that you believe is something before you see it. So when you let go of the need of seeing things before you uh, before you assume it, then it keeps us in the cycle of constant validation from outside world. So let go of the need of seeing result before. When you plant a seed, when you plant a seed of flower, just like this bluebell, you do not see, I want to see flower first and then I will sow. You sow the seed with a full trust that they are gonna bloom. So your manifestation exactly like that. So treat your manifestation exactly like a nature, calm, serene, strong. You can see the nature is not rushing. It know, it trusts, it believes that whatever you sow, whatever it has, is gonna come to flourish, it's gonna bloom. So assume it, live it, world will reflect it. Law of assumption is your superpower. Be like a flower, quiet, powerful, and certain. Flowers know they're gonna bloom, and you know you are already blooming. You are already blooming. So let this bloom flourish. Hope you enjoy this video and enjoy the walk in nature and bluebells with me. And if you are ready to master law of assumption and shift your reality and unlock your infinite self, then subscribe for more. I would love to hear your comments and I will see you all in my another video. Up to then, have a wonderful day.